Final verdict. When looking for a life insurance company, it's important to find a provider that has a strong and stable history, offers a full gamut of insurance options, and gives the added support and resources, including articles and calculators, to help you make an educated decision. Prudential Financial checks all these boxes and even makes it convenient by allowing you to quote policies online for up to 250,000 of all the companies we reviewed. Prudential can fulfill the life insurance needs of more people when compared side by side to the competition. First, what is life insurance? Life insurance is a financial product you purchase in order to protect your family against the financial consequences of your death. While people who purchase life insurance hope they never need it, this kind of coverage is crucial for consumers who want to sleep well at night without worrying about what might happen to their family if they pass away. Term life insurance versus permanent life insurance. Term life insurance is sold for a particular term, usually in 10, 20, and 30-year increments. Once that term expires, the policyholder will have to apply again for a new policy. Unlike term life, permanent life insurance offers a savings benefit to the owner known as the cash value of the policy. The cash value can be borrowed or withdrawn from the policy. How to find the best insurance policy? The best type of life insurance is the one that fits you and your family. Term life policies can be very affordable compared to whole life insurance. What does life insurance typically cover? However, some life insurance policies also build cash value over time. This cash value can serve as a savings account or as collateral the insured can borrow against. Since term life insurance is offered in a specific amount for a specific term, the death benefit is the main component of a basic term life insurance policy. There is a handful of exclusions that can come into the play when you purchase life insurance, and for example, you may be denied a payout on a policy if the insured commits suicide or dies within 2 years of the policy coming into force. Also, your policy may not pay out if you lie or purposely mislead the insurer on your health questionnaire. What are the expected costs of life insurance? If you plan to buy a term policy and you are age 30, you might pay as little as 12 per month for a policy worth 250,000 that lasts 20 years. The good news is that most companies make it easy to get a free, no obligation quote for life insurance online. Is paying for life insurance worth it? If you want basic life insurance coverage that will replace your income for a specific term if you pass away, then it's hard to argue against term life insurance. Premiums for term coverage tend to be expensive for consumers who are in good or excellent health, and you can gain peace of mind when you have a policy in place. It may be wise to set up an appointment with a life insurance agent to go over the pros and cons of different types of coverage. Either way, a basic level of life insurance coverage is usually worth the monthly premiums you will pay. You can pay more if you want a generous death benefit or an extremely long term, but anyone can benefit from some basic coverage to help care for dependents and cover final expenses.